So finally TikTok is banned in India now, and I'm really happy about it. So I have seen many people wasting their time using TikTok. I think a lot of them are creating content which is like irrelevant or just for fun and entertainment purpose. It's more of the kids who were spending lots of time, and even I have seen lots of villagers or people like, who are very much new to this internet world. They were using TikTok just for creating and getting lot of followers and other things. Let's see some of the trending videos that is coming on Twitter. I am really enjoying it. People were posting lot of crazy and funny video about the TikTok sorrowness. But I really like TikTok as an app because it has a great algorithm and it has tons of feature. Like you can keep on using the feature, it will still give you more and more feature. It has like 10 times more feature than what you see or use in your Instagram app. But the good part is it is really engaging. Like if you post something, then in YouTube or some of the other platform, it might take 3 months or 6 months for you to gain a 1000 or 2000 follower. Wherein if you are using TikTok, then you can get the same storm amount of subscriber or follower within a week maybe. I would really like to see if in future like Facebook or Instagram come up with some application which uses something similar or in fact more optimized algorithm that TikTok is using to maybe publish the content or push the content for different users. So now here are some of the pro tips if you are using TikTok. So you can still take the backup. I think if it is in your mobile application on your local storage, then you can still access the uploaded videos. I would suggest you to take those videos and put it on like on Facebook or maybe in Instagram or YouTube and grow your channel and make some of the nice content and make some of the nice content in future also. Also some of the ISP in India like your Jio or BSNL or maybe Act 518 or some different ISP, they are still allowing you to use this TikTok app just because they have not received any such warning, or maybe the message might come like 1 or 2 day delays to them for banning this particular TikTok application or the traffic. So you can still use this application I think in some of the ISPs. Now if the app is banned completely by your ISP also, then maybe one of the pro tips like you can use VPN software and use this TikTok application to download the content. So take the backup of your content, create a YouTube channel or maybe Instagram IGT, push all those videos and you'll still gain some of the more popularity. And also keep working on making good content, because I have seen some of the TikTokers who has been making like really great content. Few people were also saying like PUBG will be banned, but unfortunately or fortunately it is not been banned. The owner of this particular app is because Tencent, and Tencent is one of the investor or the top investor in Indian market. Like he has invested some money I think on Paytm or Flipkart and other things. Let's not talk about that because that will be more of political conversation, and I just don't want my channel to get some of the get into some of this politics stuff. So that's why PUBG might not have been banned, but yeah, I'm not talking too much in depth about that. Also recently I have seen like people were starting to use different applications just because TikTok is not there. Maybe some of the applications are in Play Store which are being made by Pakistan and all those things. So don't just use all those random apps whichever has been created by different people. Just wait for a few months, maybe couple of months, and YouTube and Facebook Shorts, these are some of the applications, or even Google is coming up, as I said, like YouTube Shorts or Facebook Shorts. These are some of the applications which are in line. Probably in next couple of months you will see them. It's like similar to your TikTok, like a short length video uploading platform by your Facebook or YouTube. Also YouTube and Facebook or Google, they have the great policy whenever they are doing something like this, like the social media application. So you don't have to worry about the content and the policy and privacy things. So that will be taken care. So just wait for some time and you will definitely see soon some of these or one of these applications rocking in the industry. Concluding all this, I think it was a great movement by Indian government on blocking or banning this TikTok application, because I have seen like people going to China. One of my or few of my close friends has been to China. As soon as you arrive at the airport, probably you will not be able to access any of these social media app like Facebook and all those things. China has their own like application like WeChat and other things, right? So China doesn't allow to share their data with others, but wherein they take lot of data from India just by using this TikTok app and other thing. Some people might argue that like a lot of Chinese devices are also in Indian industry. Like 70% of your mobile devices that are used in India are Chinese device, but I am sure government will figure out some of the solution for it. So let's not talk about that thing. Overall, it was a great movement by Indian government in blocking TikTok, and let's hope that Google or Facebook come up with their Shorts application very soon. Thanks for watching this channel. Do hit like, share and subscribe. If you have any query, write in the query. I will definitely try answer. Thank you.